Hi everybody. Hello friends. It's Bacon here. And it's a rainy day again today. So we're not going to be able to get too much done outside, but I thought I'd show you around anyway because it's Saturday and I haven't done it in a while for all my friends on YouTube. So we're in the small greenhouse. I got my spaghetti squash, I think they call these, coming up. Just forming out of the flowers. Got a couple of peppers going on here. Middle. Shouldn't have planted the peppers there. I planted 2 plants in between the squash. Here are my cucumbers, cauliflower, and some more. I'm not sure if they're cucumbers or more spaghetti squash. I think it's spaghetti squash. They're reaching out. And then I got my peppers in the back. Okay. A few more. So that's it for this small greenhouse. Now we got a tomato field here. And I planted a little bit of cannabis in between the plants to keep the deer away from them, because they were eating my tomatoes like crazy. So I got my herbs. Now since I put the weed in here, they haven't been back to eat anything, so hopefully they'll get some tomatoes. Right now they've been eating the flowers as fast as they can come out, so haven't had too much luck, but they are growing okay. So here is that part. And we have the greenhouse. I had a bunch of weed here in the greenhouse, but they were getting too big. They were all hitting the roof. The only thing I got left in here are my 2 skunks. And I got room, so I don't know what I'm going to do the rest of the season for this greenhouse. I got some tomatoes. Some more tomatoes. I got some Jerusalems, artichokes there. And then an assortment of peas. They're just looking to climb up onto something. And that's it. Oh guys, I got plenty of these Green Planet banners. If you're looking for one, just hit me up in the DMs on IG or YouTube. I'd be more than happy if you're in Canada to get one out to you. So these are the only 2 tomatoes that I have survived that haven't been eaten by the deer. Hopefully now with the plates and the cannabis, I'll give it a break. I don't know. We'll see. So I had to carry just these girls up. And then off to the main field. So the girls are getting tired, big. I'm having issues with because of the season so wet. I'm having a few issues in the plants, but it's part of outdoor growing, I guess. I'm doing a lot of defoliating this year to prevent the mold. Because when it's wet and hot and cold at night, it's perfect for powdery mildew and bacteritis. And there's nothing you can do about it but tear off your leaves, clean up your bottoms, and hope the plant and spray, and help the plant along. But doesn't really affect the flower, but it doesn't look as good, right? So as you're growing outside, guys, we're going to really need to defoliate this year. Plants are growing big, and that's part of the problem. They're growing so big that we got issues, So a little bit of overwatering, a little bit of everything. So we'll see how this season goes, but I'm pretty confident. The fucking plants are huge. They're almost as tall as me, or just a little taller than me right now. These ones here, this is a small section. As we work our way down, there's some are like, that big girl in the back over there is 14 feet. So, horse is doing his job, keeping the grass short. And pretty much defoliated this section yesterday. I got a couple in the back left to do. Then I'm going to do here. I was going to spray, but you can't spray today because it's fucking raining again. So, I don't know. I don't know, guys. Anyway, that's what's going on with bacon. I hope you have a great day, great weekend. Be safe. Keep on growing. Stay medicated. And I'll see you on the next one.